Good evening, class. My name is John Clambell. History is often viewed in a variety of lenses. It can be viewed in a political lens, where one side of the political aisle will put historical events into a box and shape it around their political worldview and ideology, or even their own morals and values. Having a Christian worldview does not simply mean that someone views every part of history through a biblical worldview, but looks at history through a humanistic perspective. I find that it is neat how we can read through the Bible and read about where Jesus walked. Then we can use the Bible as a reference to trace his footsteps in real life through Jerusalem, or visit the river where he was baptized, and even Calvary where he was crucified. It does not mean we link every event in history or correlate it to the Bible, or look for hidden messages and meanings. The worldview shapes how a student forms their morals, values, and beliefs. If we have a biblical worldview, then we tend to follow by a Christian or biblical moral code of standards that shape our behavior. In an article titled Biblical Worldview, the Christian Higher Education Foundation of Learning, the author talks about how having a Christian worldview should be the foundation of learning because it is rooted in truth and shapes the way someone understands. He claims that it helps individuals understand the world from the beginning of time, the first humans created, to the fall and the consequences of the fall, and all the events in between. It is the starting point of history. He argues that Christianity should be integrated into education, two-in-one kind of deal, so people will be grounded in truth and will be able to think objectively and critically. If I'm grounded in truth, I am able to view even the horrific parts of history objectively. I will not have to lie or to make excuses. Being objective means that I am able to think critically regardless of my moral code. It means that I am open to other opinions. In the book History of the Christian Historian, the author talks about how attending a religious institution does not mean someone is learning less. The facts remain the facts, but we are able to view it from different angles. In Patterns of History, the author did not shy away from only speaking about one form of history from only one perspective worldview. He dove into the patterns and he explained them truthfully. He stated that historiography is what historians attempt, and the process is what they write about, and how evidence of the process can be struck in the middle of understanding and the way someone interprets it.